Hello everyone, this is Zach from TradeVSA. I'd like to welcome again everyone to TradeVSA tutorial. This will be our part 1 of our tutorial, which is I will talk about 18 line change and 18 line change screener. So before I start, I'd like to go through some of the disclaimer. The content, information and opinion provided is for educational purpose only. It's not a signal for you to buy or sell. Now for today, this section and tutorial are going to explain what is line change, 5-day line change and 18-day line change. This is one of the sign of strength or hidden potential buying signal from the TradeVSA chart. So the definition of line change is that it's the beginning of markup stage, which means stage 2, and it's divided into two different type of line change. One is the 5-day line change and the other is 18-day line change, or sometimes for 5-day line change we call it as weekly line change, or 18-day line change is so-called monthly line change because it breaks above the 18 bars. The current volume bar usually is greater than the previous volume, so which means that during the breakout we have to see higher volume from the smart money to confirm there is the move from the accumulation stage to markup stage. So here's the conceptual map on how 18-day line change or 5-day line change look like. It break above the previous resistance level with a higher volume. So the bar with the arrow is the line change bar. Now currently 18 line change is available in TradeVSA.com. You can log in and check it out. Now I would like to use the opportunity also to show you how we're going to use 18 line change screener, okay, to find some potential idea. Okay, so first of all, you can go to TradeVSA.com. On our home page, go to TradeVSA screener and just click on this Asia market 18-day line change. So what it means by Asia market, because currently we are offering 3 markets for Asia: KSC, Singapore and Hong Kong. So one of the very good trade recently we found is that Killington. Okay, Killington is actually appeared in our 18 line change on 23rd of August. So you can click on this date to go to the previous day, because for this screener we do keeps for the data for 2 months. So I'd like to go back to 23rd of August and click submit. So you will get a list of the stocks for 18-day line change for 23rd of August. So what we want to do over here is that we're going to find the stocks, okay, for both ST trend and LT trend in green color. So what it means by this green color, okay, as you can see from here is that red color, what it means is that this stock is not ready yet, probably is still on the stage 4 markdown stage. For green color, we like to look for green color because it's a good and likely setup. What it means is that this stock probably is going through the beginning of the markup stage, from accumulations to markup. For purple color is a momentum and continuous stocks, but trade with caution because sometimes these stocks might be at the mid of markup stage or the end of the markup stage. Okay, so scroll down to look for other potential stocks, but I would like to share with you this trade, Killington, on 23rd of August. As you can see, ST 8.9 and LT 12.2. okay, so both is in green color, a good and likely setup. Okay, so just click on the code, it will lead you to TradingView. Okay, again click on the full features chart. Okay, it will lead you to TradingView charting platform. Okay, so this is TradeVSA with TradingView chart with our TradeVSA indicators. As you can see on the background, we have the bearish and bullish hit zone, and then we have the indicators, okay, the weakness, the strength. So I'd like to draw attention to 23rd of August. We have line change, right? Line change, and then on the background we have bullish hit zone. So just remember that the conceptual map that I showed you earlier, we have few narrow bar with low volume and breakout with higher volume. This is a bar 18 line change with higher volume, it break above more than 18 days, right? 18-day line change, right? And then come with green color hit zone. So this is the very good trade that we found recently using 18 line change, and from this bar to this bar, price just go more than 50%. So currently this TradeVSA 18-day line change screener is still available on the website for free. You are welcome to come over here and look for your next potential trade. Okay. So if you have any others query or question, you are feel free to contact our TradeVSA support team. And if you're interested to join us in a membership, currently we are still offering a very good deal. 12 months membership with only 2,088 ringgits, and this one come with our TradeVSA screener. Of course, TradeVSA screener is available in TradeVSA.com currently for free to 4 screener, and then you're able to get our sound strength and sound weakness signals together with a hit zone. And of course, using TradingView Pro account, you can access more than 50 of markets, and this package comes with 1-day course with live training. And of course, once you are our TradeVSA members, you will be added in our support group, and we will conduct weekly and monthly training with members. So with this, I'd like to thank you for taking your time to watch this video, and I'll see you again soon.